So hello guys, welcome back to the another video of IMVU. So first of all, please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So today our topic is how to enjoy YouTube or play YouTube in IMVU on IMVU Mobile. So first of all, you need to log in your IMVU client to adjust the furniture on IMVU. Then you need to open the furniture tab on IMVU. So IMVU client. Then you need to select the all categories and search here for dynamic TV. So as you can see, these three TV given by IMVU, you can adjust into your wall, or you can adjust into your room, or like this theater type of this furniture. So you can adjust this in your room. I already adjusted in my room, as you can see here. So after adjusting this furniture into your room, you need to log in your IMVU mobile account. So just wait a minute, I will log in my IMVU mobile account and show you how you can easily make IMVU YouTube play. So as you can see my IMVU mobile. So after logging in your IMVU mobile account, you need to go inside your IMVU room. So first of all, joining the room, you need to do some settings. Go to settings and click on the live button, then click OK. After selecting the live button, click on join. So after joining the room, you can easily play the IMVU YouTube on IMVU mobile. Click on the settings on the media settings on bottom left corner. Click on that. Then you can see here YouTube video. You need to toggle the YouTube video option. So then you will see a video setup option. So from here you can easily play the videos on your screen. I will show you one. So as you can see, my video is playing on my YouTube mobile. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon. So bye.